Hi everyone, it's Pamela Murray. We're coming to you from Richmond, Virginia today. We're going to review Reseller Riot. And what this is 20 programs that were sold last year from Dawad Islam. So I'm going to go over the bonuses with you, and then we'll get into what Reseller Riot is all about. The first bonus is going to be TweetX, where you learn how to master internet marketing on Twitter. Second bonus is Reseller Riot, where you learn how to build a huge email list for free. Bonus number 3 is Effortless Facebook Profits. It's a money-making machine. Bonus number 4 is Destiny 2021. This is where you can get reoccurring monthly income. Bonus number 5 is Affiliate Takeoff, where you 10x those commissions. So the next thing we're going to go into is going to be the sales page. Here, the sales page. These are all of the products that you will be getting. This is the vendor here, the creator of the products. He sold all these in 2021, and he's now giving them to you with 100% reseller rights with 100% commissions. You heard it, 100% commissions. This guy is awesome. So let's go over the products and see what you're getting. First thing is going to be Launcher, then Triple Traffic. I've actually bought Triple Traffic. It's a great app. Tasmania, Traffic Time, Promote Your Offer. I've also bought this one from Dawad. It's a great product. Membership Madness, Mail Our List, The Gold Standard, Back to Basics, Place Your Link. I also bought this one. Great product. Crazy Coupon Cash, High Ticket Hotshot, Mid-Year Madness, Fast List Now, Monthly Income Systems, Essential Emails, Campaign Converter. I might buy this just to get the essential emails. Can always use help with that. Mayday Payday, Affiliate Marketing Magic, and Total Traffic. I also bought Total Traffic, great app. So yes, some great products here for you to use yourself and resell, because you have 100% reseller rights and you get 100% commissions when you sell them. Now I want to tell you about the upsells. The upsells are going to be Reseller Right bonus giveaway rights. You get 50% commissions on that. And also, if you can't get the front end, you can get the downsell on it. Also, all of these have downsells. So watch for that when you're going through the funnel. The Elite Academy, Reseller Rights, Done For You weekly campaigns. This is pretty good. I also have this Done For You weekly campaigns with Dodd on another project, and it's really good. He sends you campaigns with bonus pages every week, and for you to promote with 100% commissions. It's really good. Well, this one has 50% commissions. So anyway, the Total Traffic Fix is number 5 with 50% commissions. So yeah, that's the upsells for this, and you can pick this up via my link, which will be in the description. You'll go to the bonus page where you can purchase, and the bonuses will be in the members area. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and all on the bell icon so you'll be notified the next time I put out a great video just like this. Thanks.